Hello everyone, my name is Caleb, and this is my programmer's choice. It is not finished. I'm not solely using Visual Studio either, although I'm using Visual Studio to code the essential skeleton of the game and make the game do what it's supposed to do. So, what we have here is a simple game where the character, a little Reaper here, walks around in this box. It's kind of like an Undertale sort of thing going on. And the bullets disappear after they reach a specific amount of time, and they disappear and reappear. All of the visuals as far as the enemy here and our player and the box we got going on, that is all pixel art that I've created using Pixel Art Studio. The essential coding for managing the game itself is a little tricky. So for the bullet pool, we have it's creating a list called bullets, and then if it's in the hierarchy, return bullets, and then initiate the pulled bullet, and then that's when it's set to a positive or negative bull value. Then we have the initial bullet fire, which is taking the bullet's XY based on a floating variables, with its starting and ending angle up at the top here that we can access in Unity. Same with the bullet amount. We can set it to any number that we want. It's then setting it on a repeating invoke method, so on fire, it gives it a variable of an X and Y radius, getting its X and Y position, and then essentially calculating it with any sort of equation to increase, decrease its X and Y coordinates. The angle just keeps increasing after that. So if you get the starting position and get the bullets, the equation not only gets the radius of the entire circle using a sine and cosine equation, but it also keeps the direction going with this angle step down here. I don't have the player animation code here, but what essentially would happen to make the GIF work is that it would have to be on a timer. So I will pull up this new Unity project that I have attempted. It has a music source right here. We have a different file here. Our character, I don't know if he actually moves, but we have a sprite change coding here. This was solely just to test if we can get, essentially find the sprite renderer within Unity and change it after a specific amount of time. It's grabbing each new sprite that we then have to drag into Unity, and then it grabs each sprite as we set equal to if values here. So as you can see, we have music playing, and we have a character moving graphic. So, yeah, I am struggling in terms of figuring out the right coding for its methods. I just need more time to go through the material that I've been given. There's a lot of information to process, and I'm sure that's the same as it goes for anybody. But this is currently what I'm dealing with.